Yuk, pas banget jam 9 nih. Pas sekali jam 9. Ya, YouTube Studio. Anjir, begini naik 20 MB, cok. Masya Allah. Thumbnail begituan aja ya. Heran gua. Ya nggak apalah. Harga ujung-ujungnya saya hapus. Sekarang jam 21.01, jam 21.21. Jam 21, jam 9.01. Main yuk. Alah. Mari kita main story. Oh iya, lupa. Satu hal lagi. Discord. Gamenya gak terkenal. Gak terkenal gimana, bro? Coba Anda cari Uncharted 4 Thief's End. Malah lebih terkenal ini daripada Little Nightmare. Bentar, gua share di Discord. Lupa. Sebentar, bro. Gimana sih notification? At everyone. Ya memang Anda kalau masuk server saya setiap weekend kayak gini. At everyone. Apa ya? Mencari harta karun gitu ya deh. Saya bingung captionnya apa lagi. Send. Thumbnail aman, live streaming aman dah. Ayo mulai, gas. Ayo main story. Oke, ini kan gue udah pernah main nih. Jadi kita new game. Apa tuh? Would you like to keep the treasure and players touch? Ya boleh. Kalau moderate itu normal, berarti karena gue udah pernah main nih. Kita coba di hard kali ya. Langsung live aja ya. Gimana? Tadi kan gue nanya pada lagi main Gartic kan. Ya udah. OMG Uncharted. Aku lagi les kok nggak? Udah kelar ya Allah. Amat jangan so asik ya bangsat. Apa iya? Coba kita di hard ya. Kita main di hard. Thumbnail belum aman, Oh, bentar. Ini save slot. Sebentar. Jangan masak. Hah? Masak naon teh? Masih belum diganti kayaknya. Udah diganti. Itu sudah gambar Nathan Drake, cok. Tapi di gua belum sih. Oh iya belum loh. Tapi pas gua share di Discord udah tadi. Nah gini, saya terakhir live streaming kapan ya? Hari Jumat minggu lalu kan. Aduh, ini kenapa nih nge-lag? Enggak kan ya? High picture quality ya, cuma sampai 720. Ini berisik ya suara kipas PS-nya ya? Ini. Iya, cok. Ngong berisik sekali. Mari kita coba main. Apa yang korupsi udah. Ini baru mulai. Jangan memicu unsur-unsur yang berbahaya, tolong. Lagi dikejar nih ceritanya nih. Paha, keren sekali ya ini game 2000 di bawah 2019 loh. 2000 berapa ini ya? Bentar, saya ditelepon. Lah. Kok dimatiin? Sabar, saya ditelepon. Ntar lu. Halo. Oh, iya. Iya. Sebentar ya. Mari ayo. Lanjut. Ya udah pernah lihat game sampai tamat jelek ya. Nikmati saja lah. Saya bingung mau main apa lagi, Cok. Masalahnya. Aduh, tembak. Tapi bagus lah gamenya lah, layak lah untuk dimainkan ulang. Nah lu. Yang ditabrak kapal apa, kita nabrakin kapal kita ke kapal mereka yang hancur ya. Big boat. Aduh. Apa tuh? Chatnya dihapus-hapus. Apa tuh yang gak kebaca? Apa sih namanya, mortar ya? Yang kayak gitu-gitu tuh. Hey. Kena. Memang alurnya seperti itu memang. Bukan saya yang kagak benar nyetirnya. Memang sudah alur. Jadi santai saja Anda. Nanti ada yang komen, mi nyetirnya nggak bener. Nah, kapal besar. Ini ada filmnya gak sih? Kalau kok gue pernah lihat ya, ada film. Ada film yang main Tom Holland. Yuk, nyetir lagi kah? Rusak mesinnya. Sip. Ya deh, ada aja deh. Berarti kita main tembak-tembakan sini. Gimana dah covernya? Oh, bulat. Sip. Sabar bro. Nice, headshot. Sabar, sekarat nih. Mohon maaf. Buset. Assault rifle. Reloadnya apa dah? Segitiga ya? Mana lagi? Mati. Aduh. Waduh, assault rifle bre dia. Tembak asalnya itu. Nice, mati. Aduh, susah nih aimnya. Terus, nice. Nah, dah. Nyetir. Gas lagi. Terus. Adek gue gaje. Hah? Apa tuh maksudnya? Adek lu maksudnya yang ngetik. Lihat aja udah gerowak tuh atapnya. Sabar. Ini saya gas juga nih. Udah cepet banget ini. Kapal kayak gini gimana? Anda mau seperti speedboat. On your right. Oh. Oke, seperti itu prolog. Sepertinya. Nan. Waktu kecil. Oke, waktu kecil. Sip deh. Flashback ya. BPUPKI itu apa? Aku kan SMP. BPUPKI Badan Penyelidik Usaha Persiapan Kemerdekaan Indonesia. Okay. I told you to leave those books in your room. You only have yourself to blame. Doesn't give him the right to just snatch it from me. Does that give you the right to start throwing punches? It wasn't just about the book. So? It's about what? Nothing. Ada dia berantem kan gara-gara bukunya diambil, terus dia mulai nonjok duluan, makanya diomelin tuh sama si Nan ini. Kira-kira seperti itu. Nah, apa nih? Nah, kode-kode. Siapa itu? Sam yang tadi berarti. Dalang. Udah jangan ubah segitu apa? Udah. Chapter 1. The Lure of Adventure. Asik. Gila, bocah-bocah udah parkur gini. Gue seumur dia seumur dia ngapain? Gue seumur dia ngapain? Live streaming. Dia manjat-manjat begini. Sip. Karena saya sudah pernah main, jadi saya tahu alurnya ya. Dan tidak akan saya ceritakan. Saya mencoba untuk menikmati gamenya juga sebisa mungkin. Oke. Nice and quiet. Januari. Kalender. Ini kayaknya ruang praktek ya. Dokter nih. Segitiga. Tapi gambarnya bagus banget tuh, gila. Pantesan. Keren sekali ini. Oh. Sabar bang, gue cari di Google siapa. Udah jangan. Udah ada, Anda berbahaya. Jangan, cok. Jangan aneh-aneh apa. Sister Catherine. Oke, apakah kita bisa maju? Sepertinya sih bisa. Yuk. Di mana dia? Di mana dia? Di situ. Gotta get to that window. Move it, sister. Oke, ngapain dia? Kita harus keluar lewat jendela itu kan? Ngerokok, ya Allah. Ini gue nggak bisa kontrol nih, si Nate nih, cuma bisa kontrol kamera doang. Gue nggak bisa kontrol Nate nya nih. Halo. Tidak bisa dikontrol ini netnya, sumpah. Ini ngebug apa gimana dah sticknya dah. Halo, tolong. Netnya nggak bisa di pencet apa sih? Halo. Tidak bisa di. Oh itu, pencet apa tadi tuh? Hampir ya, tawan. Ya silang. Sip, santai. Pencet apa tadi, cok? Udah yuk. Ayo apa? Lah, gimana sih? Coverannya? Lo. Ntar lu. Stick kenapa nih? Sticknya sih aman harusnya. Tapi dia nggak mau gerak loh. Nate. Astagfirullah. Halo? Nathan Drake? Lah. Tiba-tiba bisa gimana sih konsepnya? Nah itu dia si Sam. Ya sudah lah ya. Sepertinya ada sedikit bug. Tidak apa. Siapa ini yang masih nonton, Cok? Huh. Nice. Dan ini by the way jalan ceritanya beda sama yang di film ya. Sebenarnya sama, cuma kalau yang di film itu diringkas banget. Udah jangan komen kayak gitu dah. Makanya kalau kemarin menurut saya Uncharted film Uncharted kemarin tuh kurang karena mereka pembawaannya terlalu cepat untuk sesuatu yang besar. Ngerti gak sih? Jadi kan harta karunnya itu kan gede, besar nih, berharga banget nih. Cuma cara dia dapetinnya tuh terlalu cepet menurut gua. Lebih mending dijadiin series daripada dijadiin film kayak gitu. Tuh. You'll catch a cold. Peduli ya. It's outside. Oh, yang ngajak bandel tuh ini orang loh. Bantu saya. Ya. Ngeri kan katanya. Ups, hampir jatuh, cok. Oke. Nice. Baso. Nah itulah ya. Ada mobil loh itu. Jalan mobilnya. Come on. Oke. Pintu dikunci. Damn.
You didn't prop it.
I did. At least I thought I did.
I thought I did.
Doesn't matter. We're gonna take the high road.
The high road?
Just follow me.
Grapple.
Nice.
Oh.
Huh? We take the high road.
Have you done this before?
Once or twice.
Oke, baru pertama kali nyoba.
Come on. Your turn.
Antara sekali atau nggak 2 kali. Oh, pakai L1 lupa. Udah nggak ada tutorialnya lo, gila. Udah nggak dikasih tutorial gua. Dia tahu aku udah pernah main. Ayo, nice.
So, what you been up to?
Working mostly.
You still dating that girl?
Nice.
On again.
Nice and easy.
Currently off.
Ayo kemana kita? Aduh, buset tinggi buat tinggi ini. Oke.
Okay. No guts. No glory.
Jauh loh itu loh.
You got this.
Oke, sip. Kita ambil ancang-ancang. Ya.
See? No big deal.
Saya belum ngecilin suara handphone.
Nothing to it.
Stay with me.
Naik mana dia? Aduh. Clock Tower. Jam berapa sekarang? Setengah 12, no. Jam 12 kurang seperempat.
Yeah. Totally.
Just careful. Ih. Sip. Ini gimana? Oh, bulat. Lupa saya.
There's a jump coming up.
Mohon maaf nih, terakhir main berapa tahun yang lalu? 2 tahun yang lalu apa? 1 atau 2 tahun yang lalu lah. Terakhir main. Nice.
Right down the middle. Nice and easy.
Nice and easy.
Oops. Was that a sin? Get that to sin.
Enggak deh. Setahun yang lalu terakhir main.
You ready, Tarzan?
Terakhir main Uncharted 1, Uncharted 2, Uncharted 3. Nah itu sempat saya live streaming juga kan di YouTube. Nice. Ayo Sam. Ya. Sip. Lo. Ayo cok. Nah. Ayo lempar lagi. Oh enggak dilempar lu, langsung loncat. Ya sudah saya loncat. Nice. Oke.
Up the steep.
Masih lemah nade-nya.
Jump that high.
Let's just go around the corner.
Sip. Nice. Naik.
It's a nice view, huh?
Yeah.
Quite nice view.
Not bad. You ever been up here before?
This particular roof? No.
But you do know where you're
Waduh.
going, right?
Itu kota besarnya tuh. Kita di kota-kota pinggir gedung-gedung. Tapi kayaknya kita nggak bakal menjelajah di situ juga sih.
And watch me.
And watch me, asik. Iya siap. Oke, seru tuh kayaknya tuh. Coba. Ayo. Aduh, tinggi banget, Cok. Oke.
Go ahead. Just don't
Wow.
overthink.
Dapat. Nggak mungkin jatuh lah ya. Tapi apa namanya, berasa geli aja, Cok. Kayak tiba-tiba badan mau jatuh gitu loh. Bang, lu takut baca komen gue ya? Iyalah. Gila, Anda tidak tahu komen Anda seperti apa.
Follow me.
Bentar.
You know what? How about you take this one?
Sebentar. Udah, yuk. Mari. Dikasih grapple.
Yeah, really. I'll follow your lead.
Sip. Nice.
Okay.
Buset, kaget orang. Ini kita ke mana? Turun. Ayo turun.
Now, head down. Just like that.
Just like
We're
that.
out.
Alright.
Check it out.
Ooh.
250?
250? What are you talking about? No, this is the 500cc twin.
Hey. Where'd you lift it from?
Oh, that's a low blow. But I'll have you know that I am a changed man. Bought this with hard-earned cash.
Beli sendiri kali ya.
The only time you pull a stunt like this is when you're trying to make up for something.
You are too smart for your own good, you know that? Alright. I got this job. Pays well. Really well. But, gotta leave town for a little bit.
What's a little bit?
Like, a year. At the most, and then I'll be back before you even know it, alright?
You're bailing on me.
Come on, don't be so dramatic.
So it wasn't bad enough to leave me in that place? Why would you do this to me, Sam?
I'm doing this for you. The money I make is for the both of us. And then in a couple of years, when you're around,
Years? Take me with you.
I can barely support myself.
I'll pitch in.
I know you think the orphanage sucks.
You have no idea.
Yeah, but it's the best thing for you right now. Right? Just gotta trust me on that one.
It's not fair.
Nothing about our lives has been fair. But we've made it work. Right?
Sure.
Well, you know, the bike wasn't the only surprise. I guess
Okay.
I'm gonna have to ruin the next one.
What?
Found Mom's stuff.
Mom stuff.
Everything that Dad sold, I tracked down the buyer.
If you're saying this just to make me feel better,
I swear to God.
Halo bro.
The
Where?
other side of town. What do you say we go and get it back?
you mean steal it.
Well, it's not stealing if it was ours to begin with.
I'm pretty sure the cops aren't gonna see it that way.
Kita bakal mencuri beberapa barang punya ayahnya atau punya ibunya gitu. Punya ibunya Mom Stuff kan. Punya
Hell
ibunya.
yeah.
Ini dia sudah dewasa. Nathan aduh. Gustavo. Orang Spanyol. I'll speak English. Silakan.
Acabemos
con
esto. Let's go.
Ayo. Habis lu.
Chingada, este gringo sabe pelear, ¿eh?
Oh. Waduh. Aduh. Aduh. Mana lagi, Cok? Kesini lu, maju lu.
¿Qué tal esto?
Aduh. Curang Anda,
Lucha como un hombre.
Waduh.
Toma esto, pendejo.
Aduh. Aduh. Maneh. Gak usah. Aduh. Mati lo.
Te vas a arrepentir.
Aduh. Waduh. Maneh.
Come on, amigo.
Gak usah. Aduh.
Te voy a matar, come mierda.
Anda.
Te voy a cerrar la bocota, gringo. Ya basta.
Orang Spanyol ini, Cok. Habis lu. Tangkap kita.
Fighting? Huh? Right, little guy? Te voy a matar, gringo, come mierda. Hey, give me a call when you're tall enough to ride the rides. Te vas a tirar por el culo. Solitaria.
Where is the person? If you are
¿Estás esperando aquí,
sleep. Where is the person? Kemana orang-orang maksudnya? Where is everybody? Jangan where is the person. Abre.
How long am I supposed to be in here? Huh? Where's the toilet?
You're looking at it. Have fun.
Have
I
fun.
will. Gracias.
Gak enak banget, Cok, di penjara begitu, penjara elit ini. Gracias. nggak ada toilet, habis dipukulin. Siapa tuh? Vargas. Oh ya, Vargas betul. Kirap.
I was having a great dream too. Hey. All right, easy. Ah.
Jalan nih kita. Aduh,
All
Astagfirullah.
right, cálmate.
Oh iya, sudah jalan. Infernal Place. Apa itu?
Culpa, pendejo.
Pukulinnya terus, pukulin.
Morning, boys. Or is it evening? It's hard to tell down here.
Oye, idiota.
Ya semuanya sudah, nggak apa, santai saja. Tidak apa-apa, santai saja bro, namanya belajar.
Abran la reja.
Aman. Dibawa kemana kita nih? Sama si
Nice to see you.
Vargas ini.
Right. Humid.
Silo.
Hey, gringo. Vi lo que
Nah
hiciste a
lu,
Gustavo. Tengo
langsung
un
dia
cuchillo que tiene tu nombre.
tandain kayaknya nih sama orang-orang sini nih.
Déjanos a nosotros. Nos encargamos de él.
Muévanse. Quítense, cabrones.
Ngomong apa dia?
Looks like you have some fans.
Yeah, my adoring public.
Apa? Kita suruh ngapain? Sini.
Abre la reja.
¿A dónde lo llevas?
Es una sorpresa.
Diviértete. You speak a little Spanish, you know. Wait, what did you say?
You'll find out soon enough.
Waduh. Aduh,
Nada, amigo.
Atrás. De este me encargo yo.
Bien.
Aduh. Kena lagi tuh. Kena lagi.
Take it, man.
You'll see.
Yo sih, ya udah cepat deh. Mana sini?
No.
All right.
Mana kita? Sini. Dibawa kemana kita?
Yeah, this isn't sketchy at all. Hey, you know, this doesn't look like the warden's office.
Go left. Nih.
I'm on it.
Through there.
Through here?
Oke nih. Not only my English is bad. Udah tidak perlu seperti itu mas, santai saja. Here we are. Gak bisa bahasa Inggris.
I want
In?
In?
You hope to find it there. I want
I guess the deal was just to get us in and out of here. That's it.
Just. I'm sticking my neck out for you gringos.
Yeah, and Rafe is paying you a lot of money for your trouble.
See? Not nearly enough.
You were told not to open it.
Yes. I was also told not to take bribes, not to bring anyone here, and not to beat on my roommates. But here we are.
Just be careful with that. It's
Susah nulis Inggris nggak apa. Nggak susah.
I was a member of Captain Henry Avery's crew. You know who that is?
Captain Henry
The pirate
Avery's
who was
crew.
The biggest heist in history. And then
Yeah.
I looked him up.
It's great.
Over
Can we-
$400 million worth of gold and jewels, all from one single ship,
Oke.
the Gunsway.
The Gunsway. Itu
familiar with the story.
katanya ada million berarti jutaan dolar di dalam satu kapal.
I hope
Hartanya.
someday we will find a way into
Dan
this
itu yang bakal kita cari.
place, bear my cross, and
Sama kayak di filmnya kan,
riches
nyari kapal juga kan. Cuma di filmnya kurang menjelaskan detail perjuangan si Nate buat dapetin itu. The riches of paradise.
You and your friends did not pay to get into this infernal place in search of a metaphor. I want in.
Difficult.
Let me go up there, check out the prison cell. If there's still anything there after 300 years, we can take this up with Rafe. Come on. Peter. Por favor.
Kata gue mah filmnya jelek amat enggak, cuma kurang.
If you want to do it, since you want in and all.
Just don't break your leg.
Oke.
That's the plan.
Well, that's the plan.
Hey, did you bring what I asked?
Yeah, it is just over there, under the work table, by the crates.
Oke. Up. Sip.
No piece of cake.
Piece of cake. Oke. Sampai kita di sini. Itu ini ada apa? Ada sumur. Sepertinya tidak ada apa-apa juga di dalam. Oke, ada grapple. Nice, ini dia.
Bingo. Now we're in business.
Ini dia. No way, nggak bisa. Kirain bisa, cok. Bisa L1 langsung. Aduh, kenapa saya ngantuk di sini ya? Udah keambil kan? Oh, belum loh, belum diambil loh. Sip, naik sini dulu.
Bingo. Now we're in business.
Nice. Mari kita.
There's the prison cell.
Oke, itu tujuan kita.
Here we go.
Woohoo. Let's go. Sepertinya kita ke sana lagi. Nice. Oke. Ini memang agak membosankan ya, jadi sabar saja. Oh, aduh, astagfirullahaladzim. Memang awal-awal seperti ini, manjat-manjat kayak gini lagi slow gamenya. Tidak slow perang. Ya, sip.
Wait till Sam hears about this.
Ke sana, masuk.
Onward and upward.
Kemana kita? Kemana kita? Sana kah? Sepertinya bukan, kita naik ke sini nih. Nah, kan bener. Tomnya acting jelek, enggak bagus. Actingnya bagus.
No, gotta find the highest cell.
Oke, ini bisa. Nice.
This Burns had a nice view before he was executed.
Nice. Oh shit. Oke, nggak bisa naik ke sana langsung. Sepertinya kita harus ke, nah ini bawah. Oh,
Hard to believe that dozens of Burns hold up in here.
oke, here we go.
Okay. Where to?
Mari kita.
I believe this place is still standing. Spillane sure knew how to build a sturdy prison.
Nice. Oke. Buset, lancar banget ini gua main.
This is pretty awesome.
Oh, itu penjaranya, cok. Di tengah pulau kayak gitu. Oh. Lancar aja ini gua main ya. Kagak ada pusing-pusingin nyari jalan.
Oh man, Sam is missing out.
Nice. Nice. Oke.
Cell.
Hmm.
Cell. Oh, it's sweet.
Oke, ini awal perjalanan dari Avery, Captain Henry Avery. Sun and Moon,
These symbols for gold and silver.
gold and silver.
Wait a sec. I saw something like this on the letter. Huh. Well, that's part of the symbol. Ah, here's the other half. Now then.
Dapat
That's more like it. Okay, got a zodiac symbol.
Sagittarius dan Scorpio.
And a Scorpio sign.
Apa nih maksudnya nih? Oh, ini. Oke. Tadi kayak panah gitu. Sip. Kayak panah itu berarti yang jam pasir. Mana jam pasir? Mana? Ah, ini. Bukan ini, Cok. Astaga, salah. Ini.
Roman numeral 10.
Otem.
Nothing.
Oh, oke, bukan. Berarti tadi M gitu kan? M berarti angka 2. Angka 2 ini nih.
Roman numeral 2. No?
Bukan.
No. What's that Sagittarius symbol? Sagittarius. Roman numeral 10. A Scorpio sign. And a Roman numeral 2.
Wait. Ada simbol-simbol yang lain kah? Oke, apakah teorinya bentar. Kita coba satu-satu apa ya? Coba ini.
This one either. Nothing. I should look at that letter again.
Bentar. Ini kan letternya kan ini kan, apa namanya? Yang panah ini sama yang huruf M. Oh, ini. 3 angka 3. Coba. Tapi enggak deh, yang ini deh 2 harusnya. Gimana sih konsepnya? 2 coba ya.
2.
Coba 3 deh.
There's something in the letter.
Miss something. Kayaknya enggak deh. Gambar matahari. Di sini kah? Enggak. Bukan.
No? Sagittarius. Roman numeral 10.
10 kan? Ini 10 tadi. Mana dah? Mana 10? Ini berapa? Bukan 10 kayaknya deh. Bukan. Ini yang ini 10. Terus yang ini 2. 8 tuh apa sih? Gimana sih 8?
10 and 2. X and II.
X and II. Oh alah, astaga. Ternyata nggak ditambah. X II berarti cuma digabungin doang. Oke, crucifix. Oke.
Igna. Practice.
Igna Factis Recipimus.
This is it.
Okay.
Head back.
Let's head back. Let's go. Ayo, mari kita pulang ke Vargas apa ya tadi namanya, lupa. 300 tahun yang lalu, bro. Sudah tua bangunannya. Aduh. Down we go. Bang, gue turun dulu ya. Aman, santai bro. Santai. Aman. Bang, lu tahu gagal ginjal akut? Tidak tahu. Bisa di PS4 bisa main game PS2 gak bang? Bisa. Bisa main game PS2. Asal lu langganan ini. Apa namanya? PlayStation Plus yang deluxe kalau nggak salah. Yang deluxe atau yang mana gitu lupa. Jadi dia ada paket klasik game gitu. Oke, sip. Oke, balik.
There's Vargas. I want a cut. I want in.
Oh, hampir aja. Sip. Oh, kemana ini, Cok? Tolong. Salah, Cok. Harusnya yang sebelah sana. Let's go. Mana lagi kita? Oh, atas ini. Sip. Nice.
Now we're talking. Masuk kah? Ya, masuk, betul. Nah, ini dia Vargas. You made it. What you find?
Craig. What?
Place was picked clean. If there's a clue hidden up there somewhere, I couldn't find it.
Are you sure? Were you looking in the right place?
Maybe I missed something in the letter. It could have been another tower that collapsed centuries ago. Any plans to this place? Any blueprints?
Could be. There's a
Berbohong. Okay.
Great. Go look through those. Okay, see what you can dig up. Meanwhile, I'll talk to Sam. He's our Avery expert. Maybe he can make sense of this whole mess.
Right. I'll look to the files.
Yeah.
Turn around.
Oke. Kita berhenti mau ketemu Sam.
Talking to him. Come and find me.
You got it.
Gringo, if I catch you fighting one more time, 1 week in the hole for you.
Nice acting, guys. Almost as good as mine.
Mierda tuh apa?
Hijo de puta. Lo siento, chicos. Tengo que irme. Claro, te vas cuando estás ganando. Párate. Jesus, they brought you over. Okay, you all right?
Just another day at the office. Come on.
Hey, whoa. You're not gonna keep me in suspense, are you?
You were right.
No, you were right. I just gotta find Rafe.
Rafe.
Don't stop, please.
Come on. Like you said, we did this. You and me. It was rich asshole comes in on the tail end.
How long have we been trying to get in here?
We had some leads.
No, we didn't. Okay, not one. So like it or not, no Rafe, no Vargas, and no getting in here.
Speaking of Vargas, we got a problem.
What kind of problem?
Dateng
In the old prison?
Yeah, he did.
yang mau dirahasiain. Padahal dia mereka berdua mau merahasiakan hal ini dari Rafe.
So how much does he know?
Enough that he wants a car.
Shit. Rafe, if anybody else finds out about this,
I'll work it out. It's no sweat. Right now, let's get on to more important matters.
Let's find some money more.
Private. Oke. Mau ngomongin tentang harta karun itu. Oke. I've got a bad feeling about this.
All right, coast is clear.
Oke.
Okay, so what do we got?
What do we got?
Oh, shit. Huh? Hey,
Man,
just be careful, huh?
wood with gold and silver inlay. It's well made. It's hollow. Why would one of Avery's men go through the trouble of hiding a cheap crucifix?
It's not a crucifix.
Not a crucifix.
Crucifix
Lalu?
is a representation of Jesus.
Mm-mm.
It's not Jesus.
You're right, there's no crown
Oh,
of thorns that's tied to the cross. If it's not
Kalau
Jesus,
misalkan crucifix yang diiniin tuh Jesus, kalau itu bukan, katanya seperti itu. Saya tidak tahu.
Digna factus
Katanya sih seperti itu.
we
we receive the due rewards of our deeds.
Good.
That's the benefit of growing up in a Catholic orphanage. That's St. Dismas.
Saint Dismas.
What's the connection?
Guys, let's just pretend I skipped all of Sunday school.
Okay, during the crucifixion, Jesus is placed between two thieves.
Okay.
One of them mocked Jesus.
Huh?
The other one, this guy, was penitent. He accepted his punishment with grace.
And Jesus brought him to paradise.
Penitent faith.
Itu kepercayaan mereka.
What? You figured it out?
There is a cathedral of St. Dismas in Scotland.
Berarti kita harus ke Scotland.
It can't be a coincidence.
Skotlandia.
I have my doubts about it too. Let's find Vargas. Get the hell out of the shit.
Oke, mari. Nah lo nih bocah lagi, Gustavo lagi.
This is the guy you picked a fight with?
You know, I had so many friends.
Dije que no habíamos terminado.
Mira, nos ganaste, ¿ok?
Muy tarde para hablar. ¡Aquí no sales!
You know what?
Tú no te metas.
Waduh. Langsung kena gue. Aduh duh. Pingsan lu. Oh shit. Abis lu.
Good. I'm good for now.
Lu. Abis lu. Abis lu. Abis lu. Ups. Nice. Satu lagi, satu lagi. Aduh. Habis lu. Aduh, masih ada, cok. Habis lu. Aduh, kena aduh. Aduh, duh. Nice. Nice. Aduh. Oh, ini Gustavo-nya nih. Habis lu. Si Gustavo nih. Nice. Aduh, kena. Waduh. Aduh. Anjir. Beng. Pala botak lu kena.
Espera. Ya basta de hablar.
Aduh, main pisau dia. Nah. Enak gak tuh? Makan tuh petungannya.
Alíñense.
¿Qué es esto? ¿Eh?
Dame. Are you
Okay.
bringing in contraband?
¡Cállate!
Who do you think you are? Llévalo a su celda. Ya los gringos.
Kayak ketahuan kita ngumpetin crucifixnya. Bukan crucifix. Ya itulah ya, namanya tahu apa deh. Oke, dibawa ke ruangan si Vargas. Si
Déjanos.
Dejanos.
Déjennos.
Dejanos. Dejanos sama Dehenos kayaknya memiliki arti yang sama, cuma Dehenos lebih ditekankan lagi seperti
Long
ini.
enough. We almost got killed, you know.
Still light.
Vargas. Seriously?
Oh, I didn't find anything. It must be in a different tower. Well,
What can I say? I was raised Catholic. I always carry one. Hey, look. It's worthless, all right?
you think I'm an idiot?
Okay, you want to renegotiate? Fine. Stop acting like a third world thug. Put the gun away.
Oke.
Thank you. I'm going to give you 10%.
10%.
Think half.
Hah,
We're doing
50%.
most of the work,
Setengahnya.
20, and you'd never find it without us.
25 equals
25%. Sepi pak, ya memang sepi. Tidak tahu saya mengapa. Emang akhir-akhir ini lagi sepi aja bro.
400 million divides nicely by 4.
Tapi subscriber terakhir nambah 1.
Looks like we have a deal.
Looks like we have a deal. Yes, we have a deal.
any
Dua.
of you ever cross me.
Aduh. Brave.
Jesus.
That's that.
Are you out of your goddamn mind?
You want to find out?
Guys, what
Sudahlah.
are we doing here?
We're sticking to the plan.
Was this part of the plan?
Just follow me.
Just fuck.
Come on. Come on!
Ayo cepat ayo cepat ayo cepat cepat. Lari lari.
Damn it.
Rafe, where are we going here?
The lighthouse.
The
Vargas
lighthouse.
said the boat is right under the
Okay.
lighthouse.
Which
Mm.
way?
I don't know. Get outside and figure it out.
The window. Nathan, give me a hand.
Asik.
Hurry up.
Let's go.
There,
Buset.
it's open. Got it. Then go.
Gas gas gas.
I
Keluar.
don't see the lighthouse.
Right now, let's just get away from the guards.
Down this way.
Nice.
Through here. Watch yourself.
Aduh, aduh, aduh.
This way. No, wait. Over here. Come on, come on.
Di mana sih Rafe? Rafe nggak ada loh, nggak kelihatan. Aduh, aduh. Rafe nggak kelihatan loh. Ayo cepet cepet. Oh sana sana. Si Rafe sana. Yuk.
Shit. Another dead end.
Fire escape.
Nathan,
Oh ini
come on,
nih.
Sam.
Ready?
Nice, pas banget tegang nih. Turunin. Ya, terima kasih. Astagfirullahaladzim. Main nyerobot bae bang. Aduh kan, kena tembak gue nih. Aduh.
Are you sure?
Yes. No. Aduh. Aduh kan. Satu lawan 3, 1-1 ya. Oh shit. Dibantuin sama Sam. Sip.
Clean house.
Ah lu.
All right, we need to catch up.
Nice.
Quickly.
Kerjasama yang sangat baik.
I do. 4 points.
Tuh. Hah? Game apa tuh baru lihat gua? Uncharted 4 Thief's End.
He's gonna leave without us, isn't he? Not if we're quick. Come on. After you.
Cepet.
They're everywhere.
Cepet.
Okay, looks
Just
clear.
keep going.
Damn it, this place is like a maze.
Yeah, it's like they don't want us to leave or something.
After this,
Oh shit.
guard.
Woo!
Me go.
Right? Good to see you. Get down that ladder for us.
Oke. Oh, Rafe take out penjaga yang di atas ya. Bagus.
Don't celebrate yet.
Wah, mereka horor banget sih, kayak penjaga-penjaganya tuh horor banget. Bukan, kita horor banget buat penjaga-penjaganya. Kayak mereka apa namanya nangkep, mencari monkey. Nice. Aduh. Aduh. Ayo cepet. Nice. Ayo. Ayo. Aduh. Ayo.
No. No, you hold on.
Tembak.
Hold on.
Waduh, tertembak.
With your other arm.
Tertembak.
No!
We gotta move.
Come on, I'm still down there.
No, he's gone. Come on, the boat's just beyond the wall.
No, I can't.
Duluan gua rada sibuk. No. Aman, santai, bro.
Either come with me or join him.
Santai.
Just have it your way.
Sam tertembak.
Oh God, no. Sam. I'm coming. Yeah, keep going.
Oh, tinggi banget. Oke. Oke, itu prolog sepertinya, tapi enggak sih. Itu tadi udah part 2. Naughty Dog game. Oke, ini udah sejam. Udah sejam enggak sih? Oke, udah sejam deh. Oh iya, udah sejam kan? Ini Uncharted 1, Eldorado Uncharted 2. Ingat saya, Sally Uncharted 2. Ini sepertinya masih Uncharted 2 ini. Kereta masih Thief's End, masih Uncharted 2. Ya. Yang di salju. Ya, ini yang di salju bener. Di prolognya Uncharted 2 ada. Ini mulai Uncharted 3. Mocap-mocapnya Shambhala. Enggak, ini Uncharted 2 deh. Shambhala. Dunia Shambhala. Nah, ini dia yang paling ikonik dari Uncharted. Pesawat di gurun pasir. Ini Uncharted 3 nih. Nah, ini Uncharted 3. Hafal saya. Karena sudah pernah main 1, 2, 3-nya. Directed by Bruce Straley. Neil Druckmann. Asik. Itu ya namanya ya. "15 years later." Aduh, apaan tuh, Cok? Ikan.
According to your signal, you had the coordinates. These
No, not yet anyway. You got any pictures?
Yuk kapal-kapal. Nah, ini dia
I'll just keep
manusia ini
Yeah.
yang bilang oke sejam yang lalu. Enggak, gua kasih tahu aja ya. Kalau misalkan mau main aja.
I'll find it.
Seru sekali. Naik. Oke, ke dalam sini kah? Oh, bukan. Keluar lagi kita. Apa nih?
Hey, I got something here. What is it? No rust. Okay. Maybe hit the rocks to off the top.
Hey, you're mumbling.
Sorry. It looks like a piece of our rock. Must be close by.
You're teasing me now, Drake. You're teasing me.
Jameson siapa dah? Itu baru denger lo gua.
I found
Nama Jameson.
Alright. How's it look?
Ini dia. Ini kah yang harus
intact.
atau yang mau kita ambil? Let's have a look.
Alright, here we go.
Oke. Sorry banyak job tadi ya. Ngertilah saya lah. Namanya apa namanya? Namanya. Yuk. Apa dap?
Looks like a lot of it's still
Kenapa tuh? Yuk, udah. Iya. Kenapa?
Okay, but my count was shot 2 crates.
Yuk. Bocah yuk. Gabut.
And the crate's gotta be.
Yuk.
Found one.
Oke.
Crate's pinned beneath the trailer.
Sepa mana dep? Sepa tidur. Coba cek Discord.
See, that's why you get paid the big bucks.
Asik. Nggak bisa freestyle gitu, Cok. Udah seru. Tadi kita suruh ngapain? Kagak baca gua. Ya pengen sih diangkat kan ininya. Kalau nggak salah. Diapain dah? Loh. Diapain nih, Cok? Halo, Mas. Diapain ini? Ini kan ada 2 yang hilang. Kayaknya kita harus nyari 1 lagi deh. Info Arsenal Tsunami Trophy. Minum obat lu. Arsenal juara. Kagak bakal. Nah ini dia.
Found the other crate.
One down, one to go.
One down, one to go.
Alright, see you soon.
Aduh, berat nih kotak nih. Apa isinya kira-kira? Anjir, gua kayak acara anak-anak gitu loh. Apa isinya kira-kira? Oke, taruh. Nice.
That's one crate secure.
Good timing. Right above you, sling's on its way down.
Oke, tinggal box yang di bawah itu. Kayaknya kita harus ngangkat kontainer ini deh. Nah, itu dia. Nah, ini dia yang kita butuhkan.
Okay, it's in position. Look up the trailer, raise it up a bit for you.
Okay, got the cable. I'm gonna try looping it around one of the axes.
That should work.
Oke. Giniin. Yuk, sangkutin. Yes, that's one.
Your oxygen now.
That's fine.
Satu lagi. Segitiga.
That's
Nice, dah.
okay, trailer secure and ready to go.
All right.
Ready to go.
Lift it up.
Lo dicariin Keiko Kera no, Fabio emang Dep. Waduh. Dia si Dea udah gitu-gitu loh. Udah ikut-ikut begituan loh. Bener-bener. Mang Ea. Buset, ada orang di ini ternyata di Discord. Wah, hahaha. Bercanda, bentar gue DC. Dek. Loh, sudah, Cok. Ini tidak ditarik-tarik sama dia. Ready when you are. Lah. Terus. Oke, sip. Oke, kita cari boxnya tadi, Mas. Ini dia.
Okay, got the other crate. I'm gonna strap it in with the others.
Aduh, pinggang gue sakit. Gak usah sok kaget gitu, Pak. Lu, Pak, banyak yang lagi DC lah. Enggak, terakhir banyak yang di DC kapan? Pas sebelum gue sakit kan. Yang sampai jam 2:30 itu. Terakhir tuh rame DC. Habis itu nggak ada rame-ramenya. Gua sama Sepa, sama Dapa, gitu-gitu doang. Ayo angkat. Bohong katanya join DC. Udah dap. Jangan jangan nyari musuh dap. Arsenal udah banyak musuhnya. Itu dia. The big city. Dingin. Hanging. What's up, boys? Wih, dijatuhin. Wih. Tabung oksigen mau dijatuhin juga? Enggak lah ya. Nah, buka. Ya udah, berkabur ke DC. Being alone again. Waduh, buset tuh tinggi. Nathan Drake tinggi banget itu. Enak banget dia loncat ya. Fab, apa lagi?
How do you think? Every last bit. Making the rest of us look bad. Making the rest of you look good. Done. Man, I wish they move all this. Let's wrap this up later.
Jameson. My hero. Kok judulnya #1 berarti mengakui Arsenal ya. Ntar abis ini minggu depan #2. Gila. Union Berlin juga #1, mohon maaf.
Either way, it's gonna be a while till the next day. What about Thursday's job? Oh, come on, no. Got under bid. You gotta be kidding me. Yeah, competition's tough.
Deh, congkel.
Care to do the honors?
Oke.
Yeah, sure.
Kita yang buka.
Thanks.
Apa isinya nih? Sabu. Bener, Cok, kata dia cengin lu enak Pap. Anjir. Kapan dia bilang kayak gitu, Cok? Kapan bilangnya, anjir? Karena gua anak baik-baik dah. Karena gua nggak ngebales apa yang lu udah pada buat gitu. Makanya ngecengin gua enak. Ya enggak? Ya enggak. Gue anak baik. Gua nggak membalas perbuatan lu pada. Bab tidur suruh Bu Mega. Mega mana?
Hey, what are you doing?
Mega bintang.
Got a present for me.
Apa tuh?
What's this?
Got some news from my contact about that wreck off the coast of Malaysia.
Malaysia.
The ship's intact.
Yeah?
Cargo's right for the picking.
You are persistent, but I'll give you that.
And
Mukanya mirip Stephen Gerrard. Emang apa? Megawati, cok.
except
Orang kenapa
the guy
apa namanya suka banget bobo pemerintah ya, heran gue. Tadi
Never warmed to begin with.
apa namanya ada yang nyebut BPUPKI sekarang terus ada yang bilang tadi dalang PKI, ya ampun.
no permits.
Pada hobi bet bahaya, cok.
No permits means no go.
Nate,
Lapaknya lapak gue lagi, aduh.
for the both of us, okay? I don't know about you.
Claudio, halo bang. Halo Claudio, udah lama Pak. Nggak kesini nih. Claudio, udah lama nggak kelihatan.
I have to pass.
WKWKWKWK. WKWKWK.
Just take it with you.
Udah lama nih gak main kesini ya.
Well, then don't hurt to sleep,
Sekarang
does it?
lagi sepi-sepinya.
Say hi to Carla and the kids.
Terakhir waktu itu kamu join, seingat aku
But think about
waktu main Spider-Man. Waktu aku main Spider-Man. Seru banget. Sorry banyak tugas, santai. Saya juga nggak mengerti kalau banyak tugas. Makanya sekarang live streaming tuh cuma Sabtu, enggak, Jumat sama Sabtu doang. Minggu pun enggak.
It would make a hell of a find. Son of a bitch. No way.
Sejak kapan Fabio ngomong aku?
With the others.
Lah, gua bilang gua mah anak baik-baik, Dap. Ya Allah. Gua menyesuaikan siapa dulu lawan bicaranya. Gitu. Siapa dulu lawan bicaranya, normal life. Asik. Siapa dulu lawan bicaranya, kalau misalkan lawan bicaranya menggunakan aku kamu atau yang lebih muda daripada gua, atau anak baik-baik,
One of the stranger things I've collected along the years.
ya gua bakal iniin baik-baik. Ini kayaknya di Uncharted 2 deh. Aduh, ntar lu, gue lupa koleksi-koleksinya dah. Lo ngomong sama gue ya bang.
Spanish to blue
Karena lu pantas untuk digituin, Dap.
in the middle of a jungle. Who would have
Apa ini? Koin apa itu? Saya ingat sih koin itu, cuma saya lupa. Gimana ya?
Francis Drake takes a bullet
Sir Francis Drake. Ini Uncharted 3 kalau nggak salah. Apa tuh? Ya udah, sekarang gua ngomong sama lo, aku kamu aja ya. Geli, Dap, nggak cocok. Shambhala Uncharted 2. Gila, ingat gua Shambhala Uncharted 2 yang Among Thieves. Ini Uncharted 3.
elaborate puzzles.
Uncharted 3 Sir Francis Drake. Jadi nanti kalungnya itu ditaruh di tengah buat penerjemah. Tuh. Uncharted 3 tuh. Apa lagi nih? Nah, ini baru nih. Oh, baru juga tuh. Dan ini by the way bukan,
Thanks for nothing, Saint Dismas.
nah, nama orang yang di situ Saint Dismas kalau nggak salah tadi ya, dibilang. Kalau nggak salah. Nah, terus apa lagi? Saint Dismas.
This was
Yes, apa tuh? Iram of the Pillars. Aduh, lupa saya Iram of the Pillars apa. Dan by the way ini loteng tempat kerjanya si Nathan Drake.
not really my style anymore.
Oke, it's a big city. Apa tuh? Pistol. Yeah. Oke. Bermainkah kita?
Take cover. Surrounded.
Nggak kena.
Bullseye. Right. Take that.
Oh ini.
business.
Mana? Itu. Awas, Cok. Oh, ini raja-rajanya. Sumpah, ini raja-raja nih.
Yeah, bring it.
Ini di Uncharted 2. Uncharted 2.
Eat plastic.
Ingat banget gue. Ini yang monyet ini gue lupa nih, monyet. Pokoknya waktu itu pernah ada. No, ini Uncharted berapa ya? Apa 2 juga?
Gotcha.
Latihan dulu, latihan nembak. Anjir.
Like a pro. So long.
Dah. Makan.
That'll teach you. No, I'm out of ammo.
Seru juga nih main beginian.
See ya.
Dah.
Well, that's that. Yeah, I'll clean it up next time.
Ini game horror apa survival? Ini game story. Bukan survival atau horror. Game adventure. Petualangan. Dah, ini loteng kita. Siapa? Di bawah ya. Gila, keren banget nih game. Buset. Elena, kalau nggak salah namanya.
You were up there.
Nah, iya betul,
I
Elena.
was researching something.
Oh, is that what we're calling it these days?
I was.
Hey, would you mind grabbing the food? I'm just wrapping up here.
Oh, yeah, sure thing.
Thanks.
Mana?
There we go.
No, jangan beginian. Soda aja, mending soda dah daripada lu minum minuman keras. Ya udahlah. Ini Mbak, Oh no. Fab disuruh tidur sama jangan dap. Astagfirullahaladzim. Ayo makan. Asik. Ih, PS1, Cok. Ada PS1 di situ. Fab disuruh tidur sama kalau gak dia terus.
Finish it?
Yeah. You know, it's probably too long and full of typos, but that's what editors are for, right? Starving.
God, I'm starving.
Joe.
Lapar.
What?
What?
Got none of that.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. How was your day?
Ini pada di DC ya?
Typical day in paradise.
Ini lagi pada DC.
I got to pull a bunch of garbage out of a river. Yes.
At least you got to go for a swim. Did you find any exciting garbage?
Oh, some brilliant stuff. It was a early 21st century truck we got. Apparently the natives called it a semi. So, boring stuff. Tell me about the art.
Sudah, kalau misalkan lu mau dengerin dialog mereka berdua, jadi lebih mendalam, lu tahu ceritanya lo. Kadang misalkan kata-kata yang ada di sini menjelaskan apa yang akan terjadi di depan kira-kira. Dan si Nathan tadi dikasih tiket ke Malaysia kan sama si Jamerson itu, kalau nggak salah pokoknya si Jamerson ini si Jamerson tadi ada mention tentang Malaysia. Bapak sehat, alhamdulillah sehat.
Oh, interesting. What's my article about?
This one?
People of Bangkok.
Bangkok. And the smog. You know, they can't get a flight anywhere, and people can't breathe.
Wow.
I'm sorry.
No, it was bound.
I was in the ballpark, right?
In a different state, but yeah, you were in a ballpark.
Udah ya, udah.
See about that Malaysia job again.
Ya, Malaysia job. Oh, berarti nawarin kerjaan yang ada di Malaysia. Si Jamerson tadi. Si Jamerson yang kumis tadi.
You know what? I don't want it. Really? I mean, he doesn't have the permits. And we agreed we're not going to take that kind of work anymore. It's just not
but
worth it.
it doesn't sound that risky. All right, if it's just a permit,
No way.
you could call Sullivan. You haven't seen him in
Yeah.
2 years.
Look, could we please drop this?
Okay, I just don't want you to not take it because of me.
I'm not taking it because of me, okay?
Hmm.
I appreciate the gesture. It's just...
I'm gonna go ahead and do the dishes.
Stop, I'll do it. No,
You
hold
did
on.
them last
No,
night.
you cooked. I cleaned. It's fine. I mean, at least, let me try to earn it or something. Let me, play you for it.
Oke.
You'll play me for it?
Yeah, your little TV game thing. I bet I can beat your high score.
You think that
Okay.
you can beat my high score on my TV game thing?
Yeah, I think you're scared.
You don't even know what it's called.
I don't need to know what it's called. I've seen you play. It's jumping and running, and I have a natural talent for that.
Oke.
So, what do you say? Chicken? Is it a bet?
Main game kita.
Oh, wow. Okay, cowboy.
PS1. Sip.
Okay. Watch and
Watch and learn. Asik. Sony Computer Entertainment.
Is it?
No, it has to load.
PlayStation. Ih, gila. Sony Computer Entertainment Amerika.
You have no patience.
Kalau di sini Asia.
Something on. You expect it to... Okay.
Oke, here we go. Crash Bandicoot. Yes. Itu dia.
Is there a problem?
Saya tahu game ini.
No, just do they make it go?
Push the start button.
I knew that.
All right.
I got it.
Oke.
Okay, so you want to run towards the camera.
Crash Bandicoot. Oke.
And the circle button is your spin attack.
Ambil cok apelnya. Nah,
Now press X to jump. You'll want to jump over all the pits and the obstacles.
That's like my thing.
Okay, run away from the boulder.
Why is the boulder
Okay.
chasing me?
Just run away from it.
I did nothing to this boulder.
Oh, oke sip. Sip.
Oh,
No way.
You found the pit.
I don't know. How do I climb back up?
You're dead.
That's not honest. I would have climbed back up.
Kenapa bisa jatuh, cok?
You should learn to climb. Climbing's always helped me.
Ada waktunya lagi, astaga.
Circle spin attack.
Sip, sip.
Nice.
Fokus.
What's that spinning hurt?
Sip.
Jump
No.
Well, he didn't jump far enough. What's the button for jump farther?
Last life. You gotta make it count.
Oh, I suck at this.
Okay, grab the fruit.
What is the fruit?
100 gives you an extra life.
100? Who's got time to pick 100 pieces of fruit?
But jump. Jump.
Stop yelling.
Sip.
I'm encouraging you. I'm coaching you. Keep going. Keep going.
Game klasik nih.
Okay, you got it. There you go.
What is that thing? A fox?
There you go.
Looks like a
Up.
fox. It's like a fox
Up.
in jeans.
Okay, smash the box.
Up.
What is a
Up.
fox smell?
Up.
Oh, that had to hurt.
It did probably.
Oke. Berapa skor kita? Best skornya 3.500, kita cuma 600, cok.
Is that it?
You asked for it.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I practically had it.
You can give it another shot. Come on, double or nothing. My car could really use
Double or
a good
nothing.
clean.
Are you gonna start the smack talk
There's
now?
this mode called easy mode. I just switch it.
Ente.
It's way easier.
Gua gak bisa main gituan, cok.
Keep talking.
What are you gonna do?
I'm warning
What are
you.
you gonna do?
warning.
In real life, what
Hey,
can you do?
I'm
Show
telling
me.
you.
What can you
I'm
do
telling
in
you.
real life?
What do you think about that?
Aduh, anjir. Aduh, tolong. Halo.
Hey, are you happy?
Sebelah Jim. Hey.
Of course. You?
Udah dong. Beli sendiri gua ngeliat.
Really?
Udah. Hey.
Come here.
Hey. Astagfirullahaladzim. Udah. Ya, Jamerson. Sudah, itu Anda kah? Atau Nate? Sepertinya Nate. Untung kagak ada bocil, Cok. Tanda
Not
tangan.
open yet.
You're not open yet. Okay.
We're closed.
You're closed.
Come on, man. All right, I'm coming. Coming. Yeah, can I help you?
Sam?
I'm looking for my little brother. It's your height, a little bit leaner, nothing less gray in the temples.
Sam?
Sam?
Good to see you again, Nathan.
Oh, Sam.
Oh, all right. Take it easy.
Ngeleh
take it easy.
Fab Sumo. Apa tuh maksudnya? Ngeleh Fab Sumo.
I thought you... I saw you get shot.
Yes,
Who
you
did?
did. Right there.
Aduh.
Jesus.
The doctors, they patched me up and
Ya,
tossed me right back into the cell.
sumpah. Apa Anda itu dah? Sumo. Sumpah. Ngelek. Oh, ngelek. Ya Allah, ngelek.
Confirmed you were dead.
Nathan, we killed a guy.
Emang ngelek ya?
I wanted to see me rot in that cell for the rest of my life, and I nearly did.
Ya, udah kagak ada orang coy di DC. Udah tinggal bertiga no.
Man, if I had known,
Pada kemana
I
tuh?
swear to you, I would have come out.
Come back.
Gue belum kelar coy. Abis ini kan gue pengen ke DC. Dah.
Hey, you still with me?
Stay with me.
What's the matter?
Listen, ayo.
You're not gonna pass out on me or anything, are you?
I just might
Kok belum kelar sih ini?
want to digest, you know?
Gimana ya?
How did you get out? When did you get out? How'd you even
Mau
get here?
mau
Find me?
kelar kah?
Sit down.
Nungguin banget.
Have a seat.
Dek, dicariin Ono. Cariin siapa tuh? Parah
What
banget
about
sih.
you?
Me? Yeah. What's to tell?
Kira.
Call some of your contacts. Tell me some pretty crazy ass stories.
What crazy stories?
Got
What
shot,
crazy story?
hanging from a derailed train in the Himalayas.
Himalaya. Gunung Himalaya di mana?
Come on, man, what did I miss?
Damn, where do I start?
Ye, ya ampun. Ye. Gunung Himalaya di mana dah? I found El Dorado. I explored Shambhala. I discovered Iram. I found El Dorado. Ye.
Do you
Kak,
remember the
kenapa
theory
lagi
that
nih?
we had that Sir Francis Drake faked his own death?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, he did.
El Dorado tuh Uncharted pertama, Uncharted kedua itu Shambhala, Uncharted 3 Pillar of apa gitu tadi.
But the bottom,
Jam 11 nanti deh.
this is old journal. You
Apaan dah?
shitting me?
Jam 11 kenapa dah?
I mean, what can I
DC.
say? Another lost city destroyed, and we made it out alive. Barely. Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, it was.
DC-nya maksudnya.
I wish you could have been
Sibuk banget ya ampun.
It's
Sibuk buat
literally
sibuk.
unbelievable. You tell me you stumble upon yet another archaeological gold mine, and somehow you managed to
Dek,
walk away
meet sama siapa?
with nothing.
Yeah, well, it's a story of my life, I guess.
Story of my life.
Managed to grab a few trinkets here and there. Paid off the car, the house,
Emang ya,
engagement
Mat.
ring.
Astagfirullahaladzim.
I'm married.
I'm married.
Elena from the stories, that's my wife. You gotta come meet her. Tonight, dinner. At my place. You're coming to dinner. I can tell her all about you. Shit, I gotta tell her all about you.
Nathan, I'm in a lot of trouble here.
What? What are you talking about? What kind of trouble?
Masalah
His name
apa?
Hector Alcazar ring a bell with you.
Yeah, he was the drug lord.
Mm-hmm.
Butcher of Panama, right?
Mhm.
Why?
Funny story, but last year he was my cellmate.
Oke.
So this is how I got out of prison.
Cellmate, teman dalam sel sama drug dealer.
You're not reading tonight? Samuel, come here.
Alcazar. Fatih lagi ngapain ya, Fab? Si statusnya bilang gini. Ya, Anda bisa lihat lah ya statusnya. Menulis-nulis sesuatu, dia demen banget nulis-nulis story. Bang, aku pamit ya, besok tidur ya, besok aku main lagi deh, tapi gak janji ya bang, soalnya aku sering pergi mat tidur bang. Selamat tidur Claudio, aman santai ya, santai. Udah tidur. Gue belum lihat, sama gue juga nggak lihat, cuma di previewnya doang kan. Story terakhirnya kan kelihatan isinya apa. Bisa nggak gue buka, orang SW aja, SW siapa yang gue buka, tanya orang dah yang biasa suka pasang SW. Jarang ngeliat SW gue. Ngapain ya hidup gue ya, heran juga gue. Absolutely. Ambisi. Every quote. Oh, berarti yang mendorong Sam buat nyari harta karunnya si Avery, kapalnya si Avery sih ternyata si Alcazar ini yang gue simak ya tadi. Senor Alcazar.
Samuel, are you ready to seek your fortune?
Oke, let's go. Kita pakai Sam kah? Oh iya, kita pakai Sam. Let's go. Part 5. Chapter 5. Hector Alcazar. Minta diselamatin dia. Kenapa orang ini bisa diselamatin sama manusia bersenjata? Karena dia orang tajir. Ya bisa bilang kayak gitulah ya. Ya. Drug dealer, Pak. Drug lord tadi disebutnya sama si Nate. Waduh, enak banget ya. Sini, boleh? Buat saya. Oke. Siap, ambil. Of course.
Hector, you do that, and we'll start a goddamn riot. Exactly. Háganlo. Close,
Stay close. Saya tidak boleh pakai assault rifle. Oh enggak, itu tahanan. Nice. Oh shit. Yang atas. No, rip him. Sabar. Healing. Healing. Sabar. Gila, di hard susah ya mainnya ya. Nge-aimnya aja licin ini. Aduh. Susah banget nge-aimnya. Demi apapun susah banget. Waduh. Tinggal 4 nih peluru nih. Nice, mati lu. Nice, push. Tinggal 3 peluru gue. Aduh. Nice. Nice, mati lu. Sabar. Sabar now. Ayo. Nice. Let's go. Keluar. Bentar, ada peluru. Assault rifle. Sip. Bolehin pakai SMG kayaknya, lebih SMG ini.
So now what? Estamos en posición. ¿Están listos? Sí. Busquen dónde cubrirse.
Ayo.
Samuel, get behind something.
Oke.
What? Why? Just do it.
Astagfirullahaladzim. Kaget gue.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm fine.
Oke, ada musuh lagi kah depan? Tidak ada. Oh shit. Taruh. Sabar. Coveran. Nice. Yuk. Alcazar mana, Cok? Oh, aduh. Tembak. Nice. Oh, ini teman. Oh. Nice. Nice. Tuker ini aja. Pelurunya lebih banyak. Oh, enggak deh. Banyakkan ini ya udah. Ini aja. Sama aja sih. Tapi enakan ini. Ini aja deh. Ini aja. Banyak pelurunya. Nah, dah. Yuk, gas. Ya, dan DP ada Kera. Bentar. Jam 11 gue join DC. Dia kenapa kayak lagi apa? Hahaha, Dep. Aduh, kenapa sini? Aduh. Nice. Habis lo. Buset, kagak mati-mati orang ditembak ya. Udah mati. Mana? Nice. Keluar lagi kau. Ya, keluar lagi. Ya. Turun kali ya. Nice. Udah? Kelar? Udah nih.
Samuel, take cover.
Take cover. Oke.
Samuel, in a minute, you will either be free or dead. Are you ready?
Dari atas. Aduh. Rame nih. Buset, rame nih. Nice. Dari atas. Aduh, reload. Nice. Reload. Nice. Udah? Kelar? Ya. Mana dia? Oh. Gerbum. Aduh, enak tuh padahal ini nih. Pelurunya berapa? 41 doang, aduh. Padahal enak tuh assault rifle. Oke, buset. Dia udah bawa pasukannya itu. Waduh. Pas dia reload. Aduh. Sakit. Aduh. Astagfirullahaladzim. Nice. Pas dia reload, pas dia cooldown, bukan reload. Begituan kagak reload. Nice. Let's go. Move it. Aduh, senjata kita SMG, bre. Astaga. Gila. Ini udah di setup banget. Mau keluar dari sini. Oh. Let's go. Nice. Ini baru pelarian yang sesungguhnya. Ayo. Gas. Cutscene. Let's go. Emang orang banyak duit mah beda ya. Larinya. Oke, cutscene lagi. Ngantuk lagi. Aqua.
Yeah, Samuel, drink.
I'm good. I'm better than that, actually.
You're dehydrated. One drink.
Thank you.
So, what's next for Samuel Drake?
Jesus, what is next? I take a bath. I'll sleep in a real bed. I'll find a nice warm body to sleep next to me. Track my brother down. Seems like a pretty good start.
It is.
Ya, berarti kita kerja sama-sama drug dealer. Sama penjahat lagi kita. Kerja sama.
What do you think it would take for you to retrieve Avery's treasure?
I don't know, I mean, get back to the States, I can resume my search.
How long?
It's kind of hard to say until I get started.
You said you know where it is.
I do, okay, but listen, it's not like Avery left some map with a big red X on it, okay? But I've got some very solid... Oh,
Berhenti.
Just wait a minute. Hey, take it easy.
Oke.
I like you, Samuel. More importantly, I believed you. That is why you were here.
I can get it, okay? I just need some time.
Let me watch you. You see, the problem is, I'm having all these doubts into my mind.
Hector, listen to me. I will find it. I swear.
How long?
6 months.
People are lazy. They always ask for more time than they actually need. 3 months.
3 months is a...
3 months. Have the treasure. Can you do it? Say it.
3 months. Have the treasure.
Now, if you run, try to hide the treasure, or do something really stupid like go to the authorities, I'll know. And when you least expect it, I will be there. At that point, death is not a mercy I will grant you.
Waduh, udah kena tuh lehernya.
Here. Come on. Now, the nearest town. 10 kilometers in that direction towards the sunrise. Been a while since we've seen the sunrise outside, huh? Vamos.
Vamos.
When I find it.
Then what?
Don't worry. When the time comes, I'll be there to collect.
I'll be there to collect. Enak banget lu. Nurunin kita di sini 10 km dari kota.
Alcazar lets me go, and here we are.
This is bad.
Just pick up the trail where we left off.
Wait, trail? Sam, there's no trail. After Rafe and I escaped, I took his parents' fortune and bought up all the land around St. Dismas Cathedral. We combed that place for weeks. Avery's treasure isn't there. But but that stopped Rafe. Moron's been digging for years, still hasn't turned up squat.
Not really surprised.
What's that mean?
I just, happened to do a little digging of my own. And, I bet your Rafe doesn't have this. It's really amazing what you can find on the internet these days.
It's just the St. Dismas cross.
Oh, is it? Because the one we found was broken and hollow, remember?
Dan ini masih
Still intact.
masih utuh. Yang kita temuin udah bolong.
So whatever's missing from the one in Panama
It's probably still inside this one.
That's it. Udah bolong, mungkin udah dibongkar sama orang, dalamnya udah diambil kan.
this exquisite
Dan
piece
ini ada
is going up for
duplicate-nya
auction
ternyata
in 3 days
dan masih utuh. Nah, kemungkinan
The Rossi estate.
sesuatu yang di dalam itu tuh sesuatu yang di dalam
Plan on securing an invite to an
apa
exclusive,
Saint Dismas tadi ya?
heavily guarded
Saint
black
Dismas
market
crucifix ya?
don't necessarily
Masih
have
ada.
an invitation, per se.
auction. Huh? Yeah. And
Yang di Panama tadi, yang di awal tadi, yang di prolog tadi,
I could take a second mortgage
mungkin
on
aja
my
udah
house and it still
diambil
wouldn't
sama
be
orang
enough to-
gitu.
We're gonna try and steal it, huh?
No,
Dan itu di acara lelang tadi.
we are.
Oh no.
Oh, no.
No, man, listen, I can't. I'm out.
What?
No, I just don't do that kind of thing anymore. Besides, there are plenty of other guys that are much more equipped to handle this kind of thing.
Like who?
I don't know, like, anybody, Charlie Cutter.
No.
No, he's my
No,
go-to
no,
guy for
no,
this sort of thing.
absolutely not. I don't trust Charlie or anybody else that you've got on that phone with my life, okay? I need you on this one.
Sam, there's got to be another way.
Not with the time I got left. Certainly not with Alcazar.
Oke. Shall we do it? Nelpon siapa dia?
Hey,
Helena?
it's me.
Elena.
Yeah,
Ya.
listen, you're not gonna believe this. Jameson just walked in here with the permits. Yeah. I know, but it's like I'm gonna take that Malaysia job after all.
Kayak bilangnya sih mau ke Malaysia. Bilangnya si Nate. Cuma ya Anda bisa lihat sendiri bagaimana kelakuannya si Nate.
See anything yet?
Just a bunch of high-class, low-life criminals all cleaned up for prom. And no sign from Sullivan.
There's still plenty of time. Looks like the storage room's in the building behind the manor. You see it from up there?
Just the very top of it. I wonder what they got tucked away in there.
Let's just focus on Avery's Cross, okay?
No, I'm sure they're gonna pick up something for their life.
Let's keep it simple.
Just keep it simple.
Simple. It'd be a whole lot simpler if it was just the two of us.
Oke, satu misi lagi malam ini. Misi terakhir kita malam ini.
Have you even thought about a backup plan in case Sullivan gets cold feet?
No.
Because he won't. Or if he got caught.
Sam, he knows the people running the auction. He's gonna schmooze his way right through that party, get upstairs, unlock the window, and we're in. It's a solid plan.
Oke, yang kelihatan kayak orang kaya si Sullivan,
Great, say it.
Sally,
What if he stole the
nyebutnya
cross from
Sally aja.
Not in a million years.
Victor Sullivan. Same Victor we're talking
Sullivan,
about,
Yes, he's
Sullivan,
done people in the past.
Victor Sullivan.
Look, I know you two have never seen eye to eye,
right? Huge understanding.
but I trust him. All right, he's family.
Oke.
And, hell, I just need you to trust him too. Fine. He'll come through for us.
Oke.
Do at least just for 1 second consider the possibility.
There.
Nah, itu dia sinyal dari Sally.
Trust.
Trust. Oke.
Just try to keep your tongues clean.
Oke, let's go. Last mission. Misi terakhir kita malam ini. Part 6, chapter 6. Once a thief. A thief. Once a thief.
I can't believe I'm out. I can't believe I'm here. With you. Italy, huh?
Me either. Just wish the circumstances were less tense, you know? The sights are more enjoyable that way.
So this isn't your first time, right?
It's more like third? Had a couple of odd jobs. Well, yeah.
Tidak tidur kamu, Fabio. Misi terakhir. Tidak tidur kamu, Fabio. Misi terakhir ini. Kemana kita, Sam? Mana ini? Sana kah? Oh, itu.
There's
Oh,
that
big grapple.
exposed beam underneath.
You think you can rope it?
Do I think I can rope it? What's this?
I'm watching.
Oke, Miss.
I missed.
Baru aja kesini mudah-mudahan. Ini misi terakhir kok. Masih ya lumayan panjang lah. Mungkin 30 menit lagi. Sip, sepertinya kita harus ke sana. Yuk, itu ada rongga-rongga gitu. Hah, nice, tuh saja. Oh, like a pro. Sip.
Hey, we can swing off that beam up there.
Definitely.
Ayo mana? Sam. Mana grapple-nya? Datang dia. Ayo cok. Cepat, saya mau tidur.
Hey, let's switch places. All right, climb over me. I've got a good grip.
Okay.
Kerjasama yang sangat baik antara Sam dan Nate.
There we go.
First try.
Iya.
No one likes a show off.
Okay, come on, Nathan. Looks like you can climb down and make your way over.
Right behind you.
Oke, ke bawah ya. Sip. Nice. Right behind you. Oke, nice.
Okay.
Naik dikit. Nice. Ya. 1, 2, hop. Yes. Let's go. Apa itu? Oke. Ada musuh. Ada penjaga lebih tepatnya.
Inghilterra, traditore. Non confondere l'orgoglio nazionale con la realtà.
Okay, we're good.
Jesus, did you see him? That Renner thug was packing some serious heat. Shabbat guns? Said we're gonna pull this off so
Buah.
smoothly we won't need it. You're right.
Buah-buah.
All those years. It's the little things that you miss the most.
Like what?
The smell of fresh citrus.
Citrus.
Riding the motorcycle. Little things, but
Sebenarnya kayaknya kalau misalkan kita muter-muter di luar bisa dapet treasure sih. Cuma gue males aja ya. Tidak perlu lah treasure itu. Oh, I know. I got it.
That should hold.
Nice, itu dia. Turun. Nah. Nice.
All right, come on down.
Let's go. Jalan lagi Asep. Kenapa itu Asep?
Yeah, tell me about it.
So, your other wonderful finds. The ones I missed.
Stop. Kenapa? Oh, ini next ini. Sam mau ngomong. Ngomong dah.
I wish. Elena filmed somehow, but the camera didn't make it.
That's too bad.
I have some drawings though.
Mana yang lain? Pada di DC bukan?
You have drawings?
Pada lagi DC, bukannya?
On the fridge or something? No,
Cuman DC nggak ada orang. Oh iya nggak ada orang loh di DC loh. Kirain gua pada ini. Pada di DC. Lah pada kemana itu ya? Nice. Saya tidak tahu kalau di streaming ini memang tidak ada dari tadi, Cok. Cuma ada sekali gitu doang. Oh shit.
Okay up there? Yeah. Yeah, I'm good.
Oke. Nice. Bagus sekali view-nya. Ada iya. Mana kita? Sam?
It'd suck if you missed right now. Sure would. But
Waduh, ke atas sana. Oh ya Sam. Terus. Ih, konyol banget. Anjir, jatuh, Cok.
it'd suck if you missed right now. Sure would.
Oke, sip. Ayo Sam, ulurkan talinya. Ya. Duh, hampir aja. Oke, yuk. Mari. Here you go.
Thanks.
Nathan?
What?
Oh iya, benar.
Okay. You all right? How do I look? Like $400 million. That's good.
All right, another one.
Sully.
Sully?
You know what I
Classic.
love about partying with a bunch of crooks?
What's that?
Nobody cares if you're smoking doors.
It's been a while.
Too long, boyo.
You remember my dead brother, right? Victor?
I'll be goddamn. 15 years.
15 years.
Good to see you alive, son.
Let's try keeping more of getting this cross, huh?
Yeah, about that. What about that? Come on, let me show you something.
Oke, this is it. Auction-nya sedang berlangsung dan itu dia yang kita cari.
That's Avery's cross.
Saint,
Brought it out of storage.
nggak tahu Saint siapa, pokoknya nama awalnya Saint.
Take a whole pile of
Saint
cash.
Damis apa sih, siapa tadi lupa.
How long before they start the day?
15 minutes tops.
Well, there's got to be some way we can grab it.
It is just a small matter of a few hundred eyewitnesses
Okay,
down there.
okay,
Okay.
but we just need a diversion.
Like,
Like I don't know. There's got to be something.
the gods see us making for that cross.
But they don't see us.
What is
Jesus, you
this?
guys act like you never spend time in prison. If you want something dirty done, then you wait for
For
lights
lights
out.
out.
Oke, matiin lampu. Lights out. Ini dia.
Ventilation,
Dana.
electrical. That's it up here. So we just have to climb up there and kill the lights. Grab the cross in the dark.
There will be an emergency generator.
And that'll give us a few seconds of darkness to work with.
Oke. Beberapa detik gua di kegelapan. Lampunya bakal mati dalam beberapa detik.
Antipasti?
Kita punya kesempatan beberapa detik itu. I'm all set.
How are you?
Ciao.
Would you focus? Waiter wouldn't get noticed.
That could work.
That could work.
That will work.
That will work.
All right. I'll get to the break room. Kill the power.
Okay.
Being on the waiter, you're the best pickpocket. You head down to the floor. Keep your eye on the prize, okay? Let us know if anything hinky goes down.
Oke. Sally yang ngulur waktu,
Listen, we still got
si Sam yang nyuri,
Ready?
kita yang matiin lampu.
All right.
Sip.
Follow me. I'll cut through the cellar.
Gotta say, Victor, the years have been kind to you.
Thanks. That chocolate is
Squeezy?
good.
Really?
Well, no.
Ya. Mana kita? Tapi gambar streamingnya bagus loh. Apa itu? Ini buset, starting price-nya 200.000 euro. Buset deh. 200.000 euro. Apa ini? 6 terracotta soldiers. 8.000 euro. 8 juta euro. Hah? Oh, ini tuh bukan makanan, kirain makanan. Tapi makanan ini. Hand with sapphire pendant. Apa itu, bahasa apa itu, Cok? Mask of Warka. Nah, itu kayak nama-nama makanan, Cok. Apa-apa bla 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 with bla 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 with gitu-gitu.
So, just through there. Let's go.
Oke.
This place is fancy. Of course they think
Main cium tangan aja itu.
Spazio.
Kunci.
Yeah, it's locked.
It's open earlier.
No. Can we pick it? No, it's electronic.
We have to find another way in.
Oke.
You see that? Come on. Whoa. You sure you want to do that? There's a lot of eyes on you. I think I can handle a simple lift. All right. Oh, real smooth. I'm not even trying yet. Yeah, I can tell.
Sip. Scan access.
Yeah, he doubted me.
Dah. Nice. Masuk kita. Yuk. Simple
Professionals at work.
pick pocket. Simple lift.
All right. Try this again. We still need these.
Great.
buat komunikasi.
Good luck.
We'll be in touch.
Sully, ada apa ini? Kok nyorot ke dia?
Hands in the air.
Oh, Nadine.
Hi, Victor.
Hello, Nadine.
Nadine.
Pleasure to see you again.
Only this time, I've got the drop on you.
Yeah, I guess I should be glad that's not a real gun. I'd recognize you out of here for jacks.
Yeah. You know how it is? Every once in a while, a job requires us to get all dolled up. Looking sharp, by the way.
Not too bad yourself.
It's so replacing. Can't tell you what a relief it is to run into another English speaker. Even if you are American.
They'll have to blame my parents for it.
I was on my way to the bar. Can I get you something?
Yeah, scotch. On the rocks.
Be right back.
8. Catch on that?
Yes, I did. Sounds like a lady's trying to buy you a drink.
Yeah. Nadine Ross is buying me a drink.
Nadine Ross.
Nadine
Didn't she own that
Ross.
army for hire? It's called Coastline?
Shoreline.
Yeah. How'd you had a run-in with them?
It's putting it mildly. Fortunately, she does not seem to be holding a grudge.
I'm good to go here. All right. Listen, we're all set, Sully. You, stay out of trouble, okay?
I'll try.
Oke.
Ready?
Nadine Ross, salah satu kompetitor kita dalam mencari harta karun.
Waiters and caterers are hungry.
Ini gudangnya.
Learn one out of the kitchen.
Let's go find the kitchen.
Man, enough food down here to feed a small town.
Mayor's quarters.
Oh, yeah. Full-service site. Weddings, bar mitzvahs, black market auctions.
DJ.
Oke, itu penjaga-penjaganya.
See a waiter in there?
Nah, just more heavily armed goons.
The hell is this? Skate wasn't on the blueprint.
Butuh begituan lagi.
Locked, of course. Okay, plan B.
Apa nih? Oke, dorong beginian. Dah, ini dalamnya kayaknya semacam alkohol gitu deh, minuman alkohol sepertinya.
Go check this out.
Here we go.
Oke.
Let there be light. Got electrical in this joint.
Mati.
Don't suppose you brought a... Yeah, that'll do. Guess it's always a good idea to bring a smoker along. Let's see.
Ya Sam, sini Sam. Bukannya tidur langsung blow up. Bentar dulu, bentar.
Ah, good thing
Orang masih pada di DC kan? Masih nggak? Masih pada di DC nggak ada?
dead end. Maybe
Dead
the
end.
vent access is behind these casks.
That's a lot of really rare vintage.
Udah pada keluar ya.
Maybe Alcazar can just settle for some good wine.
That's something tells me that's
Kirain masih pada di DC. udah, sip. Kita belok sini. Nah, ini pintu. Tidak bisa diapa-apain, sip. Oh enggak, I knew it. Saya tahu. Gua tahu. Nih, ini kita tarik.
Should be worried that Victor is chatting up Nadine Ross. Heard some
Misi Sam.
scary stories about her crew.
Kita tarik nih. Ini kita tarik. Set. Nah, habis itu kita ke sini. Ayo Sam, sini Sam. Nah, ini dia jalan kita. Oke, cuma bisa ditarik. Tarik terus. Sip. Kita ke sini seperti enggak. Nope, kita kemana nih? Mohon maaf, halo. Loh. Kemana nih kita? Halo? Ini dead end. Jalan buntu. Oh, ke sini. Bener gak sih? I see. Oke, sip. Itu kita tarik. Kita tarik sampai mentok. Habis itu kita dari jendela. Sip. Nah, ini dia. Nah. This way.
Hey, broke the vents. It's our way out. Yeah, I got it. No need to give me a hand or anything. I'm holding the lighter. Holding the lighter.
Kayaknya kita harus ke mana? Oh, ke atas itu. Ya ampun. Sip. Mari kita naik. Up we go.
Right there. That's smaller than it looked, huh? And a lot more dusty. Shh.
Looks like my size too.
There's no shortage of raiders around here.
Oke. Sini. Bisa dibuka. Oke. Yush. Sneaky. Pantas. Oh. Ya. Bisa kita lanjut? Save. Ya. Let's go. Udara segar.
Hey, check this out. See the building with the radio tower?
You mean the cell tower?
Whatever. Listen, that's the power line.
Oh, right. Let's see how we get past this gate.
Sepertinya ke sini. Oh, ini nih tangga. I'll boost you up. Ayo, cepet Sam.
All right. Good thing you kept in shape.
Nice.
Sully, we just got out of the wine cellar, heading to the power room now. How's it looking? Sully? You there? Must be a bad spot for shit here. Hopefully he's doing okay.
Hey, found the kitchen. And of course it's locked.
Sam,
Yeah.
maybe we can use that, find a window, drop into the kitchen.
That's a good idea. I'll boost you up and you take care of the ladder.
Oh, oke, gantian. Oke, kenapa cutscene nih?
Buonasera.
Ma che sta facendo? See how the civilians, Sam? What? He wakes up with a headache in his underwear. You've both been there before, right? Right. Well, I got mine. You get yours.
Alright, berarti kita jalan sendiri.
Okay, let's get to the power room.
Let's get to the power room. Ke atas ini kan?
Well, that's the style these days. Really? Nah, because we're another one. Sam, you there?
Mati.
Sam? Sully? Right.
No way. Ini kita harus kemana ya? Kayaknya sih ke situ ya, cuma di atas ngapain?
Guys,
Ya,
if you can
di
hear me,
pintu.
just about at the power room. Should be there soon. Ish.
Oh, ini ke sini. Atap 1, atap 2. Nice. Nice. Let's go. Oh, hehehe. Nah, loh.
I can't believe you got away with that.
Oh, we did not. No, we had our liberty taken away for a month.
And what about the horse?
Fortunately, we had a lot of carrots on the road.
Recognize someone?
No. I thought I did, but no.
When am I finally going to meet that partner of yours? Drake?
Well, that's ex-partner. Yeah, I've been flying solo for a while now. Drake's out.
Oh, like dead out?
Oh, no. More like retired. Last I heard, he settled down and
Pensiun.
got married.
Well, then he might as well be dead, right?
Rafe.
Victor Sullivan. Who the hell are you?
Rafe?
How long has it been? 10 years? 12?
15.
It's amazing. All these years gone by, here we are, we're still haggling over dead people's junk.
Really? Aren't you running your parents' business?
My business, no. But yes, that is my day job.
That is one hell of a day job. You could probably afford to buy up everything on the block tonight.
Well, sure. What would be the point of that? These days I'm only looking for good stuff.
Good stuff.
Big story.
Okay.
Any advice on what I should pick up tonight?
Yeah, I think I want a bit against him. But, just between you and me, I did notice they changed the order. I think somebody might be trying to rig this auction.
Well, remember where we are. Described it a bit rich black bank fair.
Which is why you really need someone watching your back in a place like this.
Well, I do hate to break it to you. You are working for America.
We've partnered up on this one.
See. Talk about a power couple.
In a few moments, we'll begin bidding on our next item. An inlaid wooden crucifix from...
Wooden crucifix.
I know when I'm a third wheel, the two kids have fun in this.
Hold on, sorry. How'd you find out about it?
It? What it is that, Riff? Nadine, I think your partner here has had too many Bloody Marys.
Cut the bullshit, old man. I don't know how you scared.
Bloody Marys itu kalau nggak salah salah satu minuman alkohol ya.
I can tell you exactly how you're going.
Ya, warnanya merah. Saya tahu karena di Avengers ada kan Avengers Endgame.
Lovely seeing you.
Thor minta Bloody Mary kalau nggak salah. Nah, dikasih sama si Stark. Gitulah ya.
Damn it, kid, where the hell are you?
Where the hell are Where am I?
Okay.
Power room. I can do this all day. What the shit? Aduh, benar-benar. Nice.
God, why did I pick the power room?
Di sebelah sana ada apa? Nggak ada. Sepertinya memang harus ke sana. Sip. Gila. Tinggi banget, Cok. Nice. Bentar, kemana ini? Oh, kesana. Kesana, Cok. Kanan, ya. Wait a minute, kemana kita? Oh, ini, ya ampun. Nice. Ini dia power room. Sepertinya. Oke, ada penjaga di situ ternyata, kawan-kawan. Apakah kita akan take? Aduh, ada dua. Oh, ini sih. Telepon. Sip.
Here we go. Now, where the hell are the circuit breakers?
Dikunci.
Sam, Sully, you there?
Damn it, kid, where the hell you been?
I made it. Had a few close calls, but...
Well, if you're gonna cut the power, now would be a good time.
Well, I'm gonna need a minute before I can reach the panel.
We don't have a minute. Rafe's about to walk out of here with your clothes.
Wait, what? Rafe? Rafe is here? So right now, he has the highest bid. Well, outbid him.
With what? You don't have that kind of scratch.
Sully, we're stealing, remember?
What if he calls me bluff?
We have 90,000. Do I hear any more bids?
Guys, if we do not get this cross, I am as good as dead.
Yeah. Well, I end up with the highest bid, we're all dead.
Sully, I need you to buy me more time. Trust me.
Going once, going twice.
Screw it.
Then we have 100,000 euros in the room. Thank you. Do we have any other bids? We now have 110,000 euros in the room.
Penny in for a pound.
That bid brings us
Don't worry.
to 120.
We'll be out of there in no time.
Better be.
Okay. Just gotta smash the lock. Nope. Nothing. Damn it. There's gotta be something. Come on.
Man, starting to sweat bullets here.
Yeah, give me a sec.
Nggak mungkin ada di situ. Penghancur kan?
Yes.
Nah itu dia. Crowbar. Nice. That's it. Lights out, lights out, lights out. Come on. Ayo.
Alright, boys, I'm at the switch. You ready?
As I'll ever be, Victor.
Just a sec.
The gentleman's bid, 200,000 euros.
500,000. Let's get the show on the road.
Thank you. We have 500,000 euros in the room. Does the gentleman wish to bid again?
Had me worried there for a minute, Victor. Thought I might have to kill you.
Okay, let's ruin this asshole's evening.
Anyone else?
Oh, disenangin dulu. Oke. Siap, tengil juga nih aki-aki.
Then I shall sell it for 500,000.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain calm. The backup power will come on shortly.
Oke, beberapa detik. Dan hilang. That's it.
Move it! Get out of the way! Stop him! Hey! Stop that guy! Fermo! What are you doing? You letting him get away? You speak Spanish. What?
Oke.
Sam, tell me you got the cross.
Got St. Dismas right here.
Lights out.
Yeah, we really kicked the hornet's nest down here. Ballroom's locked down, security scrambling. Victor, where's our getaway? Come to the driveway out front. Just follow
Kayaknya kita udahan dulu.
the car around.
Udah sampai sini aja. Oke, sip. Dah, sampai sini saja. Terima kasih yang sudah nonton. Terima kasih banyak. Saya mau udahan. Oke, terima kasih banyak. Dah. Bentar saya save dulu sepertinya. Ini butuh di save nih. Sip. Terima kasih yang sudah nonton. Terima kasih banyak. Dah. Tidak ada penutup, tidak ada closing. Udah biar cepet. Tidak ada orang juga. Itu dia yang paling, ya Anda tahu lah ya. Ya sudah. Terima kasih.